yeah, good one. Thanks. Excellent. First time that's ever happened on stage for me. Okay, this is it's a track called Would You Love Me Any Less? We kept our heads down, we moved through the waters, where we lay still until winter would worn off. There were cold winds, bringing storms together. There were black clouds over rainbows, we could see the messages etched on the fence posts. The summer nights, we slept outside under starlight. Would you love me any less? If my eyes became weak, but I lost the strength to speak. Would you love me any less? You were born with an honest heart, and it carried me from the start. As we walked on the old rail tracks, the sunbeam was to heat down on our backs. There was nothing that could ever change us. There were picture frames on the windowsill with an image of us looking so still. Just the thought that we'd be here forever. Would you love me any less? Would you walk on holy water? Oh my, would you walk through bricks and mortar?